Well, indeed, we all believe in the counteroffensive. We believe in our military commanders, who I think you would agree have been fantastic over the last 15 months, proving their capabilities and effectiveness, both with commanding the forces and also using the Western weapons provided by our allies. But there is a huge difference between how this counteroffensive is perceived throughout the world and how we look at it inside Ukraine. You know, the whole world right now is expecting and having those high expectations, saying when it's going to happen, how soon you will regain your sovereignty, when the war would be over. But for Ukrainian families, as of this point, almost every family has somebody fighting at the front. And if you imagine somebody that you love dearly, and this person who is at the trenches right now, at the counteroffensive will have to get out of the trenches and